This is the VAX U86-AL-B. It was provided by AO.com, and at the time of this review it was retailing for £199.99. In the box you're provided with 2 lithium life batteries, a charging dock, the vacuum itself, and 2 nozzle adapters. One of the main things that you notice straight away when you get the vacuum is that it is very lightweight, but with it being so lightweight it can feel a bit flimsy at times, and it is very manoeuvrable as well, as I'll demonstrate here. It's good for when you want to go around corners. It's a very quiet vacuum as well. It's got very good suction power, and one of the main benefits of this is that VAX provide a 6-year guarantee as well on the vacuum. And now one of the main cons that I have with this vacuum is, if we look at the back, at the bottom of the vacuum, this is where the nozzle is. So if you wanted to do any corners or any lightweight vacuum, as you can see there, it's very tricky to undo. If you have any difficulties with your fingers, I could see there's been a bit of a problem with this vacuum. There's a blue clip here and it clips on underneath there. When you hear the click, it's back in place. So with the 2 nozzles, you have, as VAX call it, the wand at the top here. You remove this, clips into here, and then you put whichever nozzle you want on top like so. But as you can see at the bottom here, if you are starting to pull, it can look like there's a lot of tension in the bottom, and this may cause some problems down the line with extensive use. This clips back on like so, and then again the tricky bit of getting this clip back into place. So now we'll give you a bit of a demonstration of the suction power. In order to do so, just need to unclip the battery from here. Just a little blue clip there. And now it's in place. I'll give you a bit of a demonstration now of the vacuum in action. I think one of the main tests we have to do straight away is to see if the vacuum can scare a dog away who's interrupted a review. So let's find out. So as you can see, it does still scare dogs away, even though it is very quiet. It's sucked up all the sawdust that we've put down in that row. I'll show you how you can manoeuvre it as well now. And I'll show you the nozzle in action. So again, this fiddly bit, then I have to take the top off, clip it in place, put one of the attachments on, and then you can vacuum again. I don't want to vacuum everything up, I need to save some for the dog to play around in. So in conclusion, this vacuum has very good suction power. It's extremely lightweight. And yeah. Oh, and a bit of feedback on AO themselves. Great customer service, and the delivery drivers were extremely friendly and provided me with a phone call to let me know what time they were going to be arriving at as well. Yeah, I think it's a great vacuum. If you have trouble with your fingers, I'd probably maybe rethink about it. But for me, this is a great vacuum, and I don't think I'd ever go back to a corded vacuum again. Thank you very much.